In this episode, we'll talk about how meditation can help us elevate our consciousness. Meditation comprises two things: the repetition of the holy name and contemplation of the object denoted by the name. We learned in one of our previous episodes that the holy name or the Bij mantra is nothing but a sound. And this sound is an approximate, articulate representation of a particular vibration created due to commotion of the urge to be behind each particular level of creation. So each level of creation has a holy name or Bij mantra as its source. Now let's understand what happens when we repeat the mantra or the holy name. So when we utter or repeat a mantra in our mind continuously, it creates a vibration in our brain. And this vibration acts upon our central nervous system. And the vibration then spreads to our brain cells by transmitting constant impulses through our nerves. These impulses excite our brain cells. As a result, the brain cells become more sensitive than they usually are. And our nervous system and all the senses develop their keenness and subtle sensitivity to an exceeding degree. The extra sensitive brain cells slowly help us perceive all those impulses which were beyond our perception beforehand. When the power of the senses expand super abundantly, that phenomenon is called mastery over supersensuous powers. In Sanskrit, it can be described as atindriya. When we achieve these powers through the practice of meditation, we may be able to visualize the finest of things which cannot be seen even by the use of a microscope. Believe it or not, this is possible. In ancient times, our sages and saints mastered this power through the practice of meditation. For example, there are many stars in this universe which science has not discovered yet. But our sages and saints, through the practice of meditation, by making their senses sensitive, had learnt about the existence of many stars which science could only discover many light years later. Stars are many, many light years away from us. Through the enlargement of our perceptive faculties, the whole world becomes infinitely expanded before our vision. Things that we could not perceive earlier came within the realm of our comprehension and perception. When our auditory and visual centers gain supersensory powers, our hidden ability of ears and eyes increase manifold. Our power of observation goes deeper and deeper. Our past impressions locked up in the brain cells float up in our conscious mind. Complex riddles of life, which seem to be incomprehensible, appear simple. Our ability to process information in the brain increases tremendously. We become competent in solving complex problems of life at ease. Our power of memory increases exponentially. The energy generated through the vibration in the brain spreads to all the cells in our body through the nerves. The entire body vibrates with an effulging energy, and then man transcends all his physical and mental limitations. Man elevates himself to a higher level of consciousness. The man is able to unlock the infinite energy latent within him. But as I said in the beginning, meditation comprises two things: the holy name and the object of meditation, denoted by the name or the mantra itself.
So, who should be the object of our meditation? Let's understand this in the next episode.